now 3:40 p.m. June 20, 2025, and they started making more noise again, although it's not quite as loud as it just was a few seconds ago. By the time I get this video camera going, I miss all the big stuff every time, but it's still pretty loud. Come on, you might as well make the noise now. I want to hear the big, giant noises. I want to have this on documentation, filming this. Come on, make the noise. This is nothing compared to what it was just a minute ago. Not even half. You know what? No, because it wouldn't be the camera, my security cameras. It wouldn't pick that up unless it was on, and it only comes on when there's motion or something. Why isn't it coming on now? Oh, it is. Look over there, camera. Record this crap. Of course, now they're not making the noise. I always miss it. By the time I get the camera rolling, they're quieter. Come on, go ahead. I want to hear the noise now. Come on. Got a robin. It's rockin' robin. Fly, robin, fly. Up, up to the sky. That was one of the #1 songs from the 70s. Come on, make the noise now. Always miss it. But to me, it looks like they're expanding. It's like there's more and more stuff going on. You can see all kinds of semis driving in and out of there now. And there's multiple cranes. I always can see 3 from just right here, but there's many, many more. I don't know if they're using them all. Went through that little gap in the trees is where some trucks are. Now they're quiet for some reason. I don't know if they're loading up trucks with scrap, taking scrap metal from the trucks. I don't know what they're doing. But my goodness, so much noise, so much dust. What's that now? I see a right where the telephone pole is. That black spot is a truck. Darn it, I never get the when all the action is really happening. When it was really super loud. I'm just gonna have to try to do another video now. I have no room on my phone, so I'm gonna have to upload this video and then start another one. And hopefully I can get them when they're really super loud. I have not got them when they're super loud. It's been loud, but not when they're really, really loud. Thanks for watching. God bless.